Good morning, everyone. Welcome to online computer classes. Even welcome to Form 5 because now you all are in Form 5, right? I hope so that you all are enjoy your vacation safely at your home and even you enjoy your online classes also, right? Okay, fine. So today it is your first computer session and I am going to start your chapter 1. The title of this chapter is Evolution of Computer. I know that you do not have your textbook, but don't worry, I will show you that content through the PPT which is given in your textbook. So before I start, first I want to show you your textbook which you will get afterward. This is your computer textbook. And today I am going to start lesson 1. As I told you that title of this lesson is Evolution of Computer. Okay. Students, you know that nowadays if we just imagine that without computer or without any electronic gadgets, is it possible? No. No way. Sorry. But in earlier time, the computer were used only by mathematicians, scientists and engineers to solve their complex calculations and problems. And in earlier time, computers were expensive, so it's not possible to afford anyone. But nowadays we all have anyhow that laptop or desktop computer at our home. Fine. So this is the importance of computer. So today I am going to start now this chapter and I will explain that how this computer it's invented with a different type of machine. Okay. So now I am going to show you PPT and I will explain one by one slides. Keep it with me. Okay. Evolution of computers. Do you know how computer came into existence? The present day computer is entirely different from the earlier device that were invented for doing calculations. Yes, students, in an earlier time that computer were used only for calculations. But nowadays, you know that we are not using computer only for calculations. It is a multitasking machine now. Different type of work we can do with the help of computer. Got it? So let us glance through the major milestones in the journey leading to the evolution of present day computers. So now one by one I will explain with the different machines and devices. Okay. Since man is born with intelligence, he thought of ways that would make things easy for him. Definitely, we every time we find out the ways that it's make our life more easy. One of the problems encountered by man was counting the things he had. At that time, they had the one problem that they didn't have any that had not that any equipment that they can count anything. So because of this he invented something that could help him count fast and easy. They wanted to develop that type of device or machine that machine helped them that they could count anything, any items if you want to count anything. So for that they developed some devices. Which type of devices? Now I show you. Next slide. Yes. Earlier computing device, the abacus. With the abacus, the name abacus, you all are familiar, that I know. About 4,000 years ago, the Chinese invented the abacus. It is an adding tool that can you add and subtract numbers by moving beads back and forth on rods. The abacus was one of the earliest counting devices invented to help man solve his counting problems. Yes, Chinese were invented this abacus, and through that abacus, that people could do subtraction and addition type of sums, or they could count. Solve their counting problems. Next, yes, you can see the image of abacus, and I know that you all are familiar with this abacus because in Aloha, maybe you join Aloha, then you definitely you used this abacus. You can see here on the roads there are different beads, and you have to, there is a different method to count it. Okay, got it? So this abacus, everybody, you know that abacus. Here different type of abacus only in that earlier time, that Roman abacus, then Russian abacus, Chinese abacus. Okay. Yes, before I explain this now Pascaline machine, after abacus the Pascaline machine came. Pascaline machine, you can see this picture. Pascaline, this machine invented by French mathematician, and his name was Blaise Pascal. Yes, the Pascaline calculator. In 1642, Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician, as I already told you, invented the Pascal calculator. Yes, that machine was known as a calculator. You know that calculator? We can do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We can find out that percentage and everything. There are two types of calculator, that simple calculator and scientific calculator. Okay, so I think that calculator you know better, that device. Okay, that is a very small one. Okay, fine. So this device, also known as the Pascaline, operated 8 movable dials which could add numbers up to 8 figures long. I just show you that image once again, and you can see in this image, students, that dials, the round one, the are there, it is known as a dials. Okay, yes. Now next, which could add numbers up to 8 figures long. It was used to perform simple arithmetic calculations. This device was limited to addition and subtraction only. Yes, with this device you can do, it means at that time, in that period, they were do only subtraction and addition and subtraction, not any other calculation. Okay, so it's a work like a calculator, and it invented by Blaise Pascal. That's why this machine, it's known as a Pascaline machine. Okay, I just to show you once again the image. You can see here Pascaline machine image. Okay, now next, yes, before I start this difference engine, I have to explain in detail. Why? Because difference engine, it's invented by Charles Babbage, and Charles Babbage, he is considered as the father of computer. He is considered as the father of computer. So whatever he invented, I have to explain in a detail. So now I will explain in detail from a next session. So because right now I am going to over this session, we will meet very soon, and I will explain in detail this difference engine and Charles Babbage and other devices were invented. Okay, so we will meet once again in our next session. Okay, students, as I explained today that abacus, Pascaline machine, and I show you. Today I just explained about abacus and Pascaline machine. Now in the next session, I will start from difference engine of Charles Babbage. Fine, got it?